Guys, what is going up? Welcome back to the best investing and money management channel on YouTube. I am your host, Carter, and in today's video, we're going to be looking at the one, the only Plug Power, ticker symbol PLUG. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and overall, I hope you guys get something of value out of this video. And if you do, hit that like button and subscribe because it really helps me out, guys. If you guys want to learn more, check out my course. But now let's jump into it. Plug Power. What is it? Should you buy, sell, hold? What should you do? So you guys can see that this stock, just by looking at it, is pretty volatile, right? Look at the lows here at $4.83, right? And the highs all the way up here at $75, right? But it did not continue this huge momentum. It did sell off back down to about 30, found some support near 18, and pretty much just been consolidating lately, right? So looking at it, one thing that I like about it is it did break above this 200 moving average line. You guys can see that in the past it has used it as some support here. But now, when a stock falls below it, most of the time it has a pretty hard time breaking above it because it will now act as a resistance. So it's going to be a little bit harder to break above. A lot of people are going to be selling at that point. Now you guys can see it did hit it once here. We did get that sell off, but then we hit it, broke above it. So now we're curling back down. So hopefully what I think will happen is we'll have some more support stepping in, right? Just because historically old resistance tend to act as new support, right? So this could bring a little bit of an opportunity to invest. So why do I like Plug Power? Well, Plug Power is in one of the fastest growing sectors here. It's hydrogen fuel cells, and they plan on replacing traditional batteries, and they're extremely useful for electric vehicles, which is fantastic. The hydrogen fuel cell market is growing very, very fast. And this company, Plug Power, is expected to grow around 38% annually, which is really good. And they grew their revenue over 500%, and they're expected to grow another 57% in 2022, which is fantastic, right? So total, the company put out a statement, and they said they're expected to grow. I'm literally reading the financial statement. They're expected to grow their revenue by 1,100% by 2024, okay? And not to mention, they just received a $1.5 billion investment to help fuel growth, right? That's fantastic. This is when we had huge buying pressure entering. Everybody loved it, but then we had sell-off because people realized the company's not profitable. It's extremely common to see companies that aren't profitable, but the issue is, one, they're not profitable, they don't have positive cash flow, and they're expected to be profitable by 2024. They're expected, right? Every company that's not profitable always puts out a random date, and most time they don't hit it. But with this huge amount of growth in this sector, competition is increasing, right? So there's other stronger companies, bigger companies that are getting into hydrogen fuel cell, which is going to make and pretty much dilute Plug Power if they're a big competition, right? So now another thing that I don't like is Plug Power has a very, very expensive valuation. Okay, it's trading at over 33 times trailing revenue. That is very, very high. Here's my opinion on this whole company, okay? Plug Power carries a ton of potential in the long term, right? This company could easily be worth, $90 to $100 by 2024. But the issue is it could also be worth $10 or $12. The volatility on this is very, very high. So I would recommend that you guys should not go heavily in this, okay? I would rather see you guys invest in an ETF that just tracks, autonomous driving, electric vehicles, and hydrogen fuel cell. That's just me, right? But overall, this is a fantastic company. I think there's a lot of growth with it. but I would not go heavily in it. Maybe 1-2% of your portfolio, if that, just because the volatility is going to kill you. And, you want to make sure you have a little money in there, because if it does score big, you can still make some money off it. But if you lose a little bit, it's not that big of a deal. So that is my opinion on Plug Power. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And overall, I hope you guys got something of value. We will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, guys. Stay positive and stay safe out there. Take care, everyone. Peace out.